Bitcoin's been on an interesting run. Bulls keeping the momentum alive at the open on Wall Street, and we're seeing price levels around $117,000 mentioned as the next target, which is really making waves.
Yeah, it's like BTC is teasing us, isn't it? All that liquidity added higher and those shorts getting squeezed, it feels like a ticking time bomb for some traders.
Absolutely. Um, it's like it's like watching a high stakes poker game. You see liquidity building on order books as fresh funds push higher, and suddenly those shorts start paying the price.
And you mentioned the technical side too, right? I mean, the charts have been showing some textbook moves that really underscore the bull's control.
Exactly. The BTC price action on the 1 hour chart, and especially how it conforms to key Bollinger Bands levels, is pretty telling. It produced a fake breakdown this month, precisely a so called head fake, where it dipped below the lower band before bouncing right back.
Right? And that's the kind of move that really tests the bull's resolve. It's like if the bounce holds, then technically it could signal more upside to come.
For sure. And there's chatter from some well known traders like Rect Capital suggesting that the price could be heading towards around $119,000 next.
Yeah,
They're interpreting the liquidity landscape and breakout signals as hints that this is just the beginning.
I have to wonder though, isn't it a bit optimistic? Like, are we reading too much into this head fake pattern? Because, you know, such patterns can sometimes mislead the market.
That's a fair point. It really depends on how the market structure holds up. If BTC continues to respect that key resistance zone between $117,500 and $118,000, and the bids extend all the way down to around $114,000, even filling the gap in CME Bitcoin futures, then, yeah, that support could be vital.
And even those Bollinger Bands movements are critical. On the hourly, price got rejected at the upper band, but on the daily, we saw that head fake move pretty clearly. It does create a nice alignment for a potential surge.
Exactly. It's like the market is crafting a narrative. With these fake breakdowns, it's almost an invitation for the bulls to step in. The way the structure is holding, it's not just random noise, but a signal from every angle. Order book liquidity, technical indicators, even CME gap support.
Right. I get that, but I still see a risk where if the price doesn't hold these key levels, you could have another setback, right?
Definitely, there's always risk. The key is whether that support around the daily CME gap proves strong enough. Trading these levels demands keeping an eye on the liquidity and being nimble enough to respond quickly if the picture changes.
Yeah. And in crypto, you know, volatility is the name of the game. It's a thrilling ride, but definitely not for the faint of heart.
True that. It's like a roller coaster where every dip and surge tells part of the story. Liquidity, technical resistance, and those deceptive head fakes all making it a dynamic market to watch. It's a fascinating dance between bulls and bears.
In the end, it's all about distinguishing genuine breakout potential from setups that could backfire. The bulls definitely have a shot if everything clicks into place, but caution is key.
Right? And that's why staying informed and disciplined is essential. Even though the prospect of BTC hitting $117,000 and perhaps even $119,000 is exciting, it's crucial to manage exposure and risk properly.
Agreed. It's a delicate balance between catching the wave and not getting swept away. Thanks for breaking that down. Always enlightening to see the depth behind these market moves.
Anytime. It's always a pleasure to dig into the layers of the Bitcoin market dynamics and see how each technical clue points to a bigger story.
Yeah,